In part 2, we're going to look at rate limits. What is a rate limit? Simply consider an iPhone lock screen. In fact, this is an example of limiting actions per time limit. When implementing a rate limit, it's very important to increase the block time every time the limit is triggered. You can see an example below. If the block time doesn't increase like this, the limit won't function correctly, allowing hackers to access your company. Let's have a look at a couple of rate limit algorithms. The first one is token bucket, and the second one is fixed window. Token bucket is necessary for a large load, and fixed window is just easy to implement. The token bucket works as follows. At regular, repeated intervals, your service will put a certain token in the client's bucket, a kind of storage space. Every time the client makes a request, they will use a certain number of tokens. If the client has made too many requests and there are no more tokens in the bucket, then the service will not respond to the client any longer. The client must wait until there are once again enough tokens in the bucket. You can read more about this by following the link in our presentation. The iPhone lock screen is an example of a fixed window, that is, access is blocked to the user after a certain number of requests or attempts, in this case to enter a passcode. We recommend you to always increase your rate limits, otherwise they are useless.